Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm sorry it's late. I'm in my bathroom filming this intro. So today is another video of my 12 days of Christmas. If you are new here, I am uploading a video every day for the first 12 days of December. It's kind of like my version of Vlogmas, or if this is just like the first time you've tuned in a while. So I'll have that playlist linked down below. Definitely check it out. But today I'm super excited for this video. I have been seeing this all over social media, like Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, like Facebook. It's just been all over, and I knew that I needed to do one. So we're hosting Christmas this year, and I wanted to do something like, I feel like only very recently I've come into my own and realized how much I love homemaking and how much I love setting the tone in my home and making people feel really welcome and just setting the vibe in my house.
Hi, I'm a mermaid. Look it.
Sorry, Ev needed me. So today's video is going to be my like DIY hot chocolate or hot cocoa bar. I'm super excited for this. Everything is super customizable. You guys will love it. So let's just jump into it. Please subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So let's just jump into it. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited for this. So I just put this together, and I'm going to have to like disassemble everything and put it all away until Christmas Day. We are hosting Christmas Day. I think I already said that, but this is what I'm going to put out as soon as guests arrive, or hopefully before guests arrive. So let me just kind of walk you through everything that I have. So over here I have this cute little light up sign. It says "Let's Be Jolly." Obviously you guys can read. And I think I got this from Christmas Tree Shop. I don't know if I don't think I left the price on it, but it was like less than $5. And I thought it was really cute. And then here, these are our regular mugs that we use like every day. And then I have a Mr. and Mrs. Claus mug that I break out for the holidays. Back here I have two Christmas trees and a little snowman. Both of those were from Christmas Tree Shops as well. Chris makes fun of this one so much because it's just like a cone, and he thinks it's stupid. Hey, it's not a Christmas tree, it's just a Christmas cone. So that's what I have back there for decoration. I saw, I jingled. I love this sign so much. I don't know why, but it just tickles me and it makes me laugh so much. I got that at Hobby Lobby last year. I am going to be making hot chocolate in the crock pot this year. I was going to do the Keurig, but honestly, like, I feel like the Keurig's just so wasteful. So I have a couple good crock pot hot chocolate recipes. I'll have them linked down in the description box if you want to check them out for yourself. And then as far as toppings go, this is where I like got the most excited, because you really can like totally customize this and do really like whatever you want. Actually, that's, I'm gonna be honest, why I love the hot chocolate bar and why I love like kind of this trend is it's so customizable. You can choose whatever you want. If you have a lot of like really fun holiday mugs you want to put out, like it's totally acceptable. Like I'm just all about this hot chocolate bar, guys. So here I have some whipped cream, and there's a ton of different flavors of whipped creams out now. Like I saw peppermint, they have like chocolate whipped cream, like it's just crazy, but I just decided to go with like just regular plain old whipped cream. I have some chocolate chips, which I actually may swap these out for butterscotch chips, or maybe do both. These are just like little Pyrex dishes that I've had for a while, nothing fancy here. So I have chocolate chips, and then I have M&Ms. Again, I think that would be fun. I saw a couple other toppings like toffee bits, like crushed peppermint candies. Just really like the possibilities are endless. I have candy canes. These are just fun to like stir your hot chocolate with. I don't actually really like candy canes, like I don't eat them, but they had cinnamon ones, they had peppermint ones. I just got like classic peppermint ones. These are mini marshmallows, and then these I actually have to get more of. Like, I'm going to be 100% truthful with you. These little like wafer cookies are like probably 6 months to a year old, and they have been sitting in the back of my pantry forever. So I'm just going to throw these out when I'm done with this video and buy new, but I definitely want to get some more like like cookie wafers for stirrers. And then as well, you can see the little mason jars have snowflakes on them. Ball mason jars came out with like a holiday edition, and they have some fun colors. They also have like just the plain snowflakes, so I got those. I got a 4-pack. I got them at Target. It was, again, pretty cheap. So yeah, guys, this is my little hot chocolate bar. I hope you guys like it. I love this. I'm obsessed with it. I think it is just the most festive and the most fun thing on the planet. So I'm super excited. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my god. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the hot chocolate bar. The only thing that I did want to add that I forgot is you definitely got to add your booze in there. Like, I know they'll be drinking done on on Christmas Day, or again Christmas Eve. I think this is fine for Christmas Eve as well. So I definitely got to get my booze in there. I'm definitely going to do Bailey's, maybe some Kahlua. I don't know. I don't know. But if you guys think of anything or you have any ideas for your hot chocolate bar, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely check out my other 12 Days of Christmas video and come back tomorrow for more videos. So I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.